Imagine the sizzle of succulent slices of meat roasting over an open fire. The smoky aroma wafts through the air, your senses. Picture this, a tapestry of sounds. The hiss of fat droplets as they hit the coals, the crackle of the fire dancing around the skewer. This is the chorus of the grill, the melody that accompanies the making of a universally adored dish, the kebab. Now, ponder on that aroma. The scent is captivating, a rich smoky blend with a hint of spice. It's the smell of carefully marinated meat, cooked slowly to perfection. It's the smell of charred vegetables, their sweetness intensified by the heat. It's the smell of fresh herbs and spices, their aromatic oils released by the heat, enhancing the flavor of the meat. Consider the sight of it, the bright colors of fresh vegetables, the glistening meat, the bold reds and oranges of the flames. It's a visual feast. And finally, the taste. A symphony of flavors with the flavors it has absorbed from the marinade. The vegetables are crisp, their natural sugars caramelized, adding a touch of sweetness to balance the savory meat. The kebab is a sensory experience like no other. A dish that engages all your senses, creating a moment of pure culinary delight. Such an enticing dish surely has a rich history, wouldn't you agree? In the earliest throes of existence, where life was a relentless struggle for survival, emerged the noble kebab. A culinary legend steeped in time, its saga traces back to the primitive eras, where our forefathers grappled with life on a diet of uncooked meat. Then came fire, a blazing revelation that forever altered the course of human evolution and introduced us to the sublime world of gastronomy. Thus, in the glowing embers of primordial flames, came forth the kebab. It was a revolutionary act. Our ancestors elegantly threading slivers of meat onto skewers and roasting them over the dancing flames, making it not just more palatable, but safer and easier to digest. As mankind flourished, this rudimentary form of meal preparation journeyed across the globe, touching the hearts and platters of diverse cultures. From the heart of Central Asia to the fertile lands of Mesopotamia, each civilization embraced the kebab, seasoning meat with their indigenous herbs and spices, crafting it into a symbol of their heritage. In the aromatic kitchens of the Middle East, the kebab was elevated to a culinary masterpiece, echoing warm hospitality and cherished for its unique smoky allure. The humble kebab journeyed far from its cradle, captivating taste buds in every corner of the globe. From the teeming, pulsating streets of Istanbul to the technicolor bazaars of India, the kebab reigned supreme, a vibrant testament to our collective gastronomic legacy. So there you have it, a thrilling odyssey into the epic history of the kebab, a dish as a civilization itself, born from a raw need for survival, honed by the sands of culture and undeniably beloved by all. From the Middle East, the kebab began its journey, crossing borders and cultures. This is a story of humble skewered meat winning hearts worldwide. In its birthplace, it was more than food. It was a symbol of hospitality, the star of celebrations. Setting off on its voyage, the kebab embraced change, turning barriers into bridges. As it journeyed west, Europe welcomed it with open arms. In Greece, it became the beloved souvlaki, served with tangy tzatziki. Further west, Germany gave it a new avatar, the doner, a sandwich brimming with aromatic meat and fresh vegetables. The kebab didn't halt there. It ventured east, reaching Asia's colorful terrain. In India, it morphed into various delicacies, each with distinctive spin, like the spiced minced meat Sikh kebab. Crossing the Pacific, it left its imprint in the Americas. In Mexico, it evolved into al pastor, reminiscing the Middle Eastern shawarma. Up north in the United States, kebabs became synonymous with backyard barbecues. The kebab didn't just move, it adapted, it evolved, blending seamlessly with local cuisines. It became a symbol of food's power to unite cultures. This journey of the kebab from the Middle East to the world's farthest corners attests to its adaptability and its essence. It's a journey that turned a simple dish into a global phenomenon. So how did the kebab become such a versatile dish? The kebab is more than just a skewer of meat. It's a culinary chameleon, adapting to a multitude of flavors and presentations. Its versatility is displayed in its many forms, spanning from Istanbul's vibrant streets to Delhi's lively markets. Now, the eclectic culinary world of kebabs. The heart of a kebab is the meat, traditionally juicy lamb, which expertly soaks up aromatic spices. Still, the kebab is a humble dish, accommodating various meats like beef, chicken, fish, or even vegetarian options as paneer and tofu, catering to diverse tastes and diets. The cooking methods are as varied as the meats, from grilling over an open flame for a smoky hint, to baking in a traditional clay oven for a crispy exterior and juicy interior. There's also the unforgettable doner kebab, slow-cooked on a rotisserie, creating a mouth-watering spectacle. However, a kebab is more than meat, it's a platform for a medley of flavors. Spices like earthy cumin, fiery chili, and more add complexity, while marinades of yogurt and spices tenderize the meat and infuse delectable flavors. Lastly, the presentation, be it wrapped in pita bread, served on a bed of rice, or paired with a crisp salad, helps narrate the story of each kebab's origin and its creators. Truly, the kebab stands as a testament to culinary imagination. More than a dish, the kebab holds a special place in the hearts and culture of many societies. It's a cultural emblem, a social adhesive, and a shared heritage that transcends boundaries. The kebab is a universal culinary language. From Istanbul's streets to Delhi's bazaars and barbecue pits in Texas to Athens' eateries, this dish brings communities together. It's the highlight of social events, from family dinners to festive celebrations. The sizzle on the grill and the aroma in the air make it a bonding experience. The art of kebab making is a cherished skill in many cultures, passed down generations. It's a symbol of hospitality and culinary expertise. Each skewer is a labor of love, representing the cook's heart and soul. It reflects cultural identity and diversity, with each region, community, and family having its unique take. Different meats, marinades, spices, and cooking methods tell a story of migration, adaptation, and fusion. It's a democratic dish enjoyed by all, rich or poor, young or old or vegetarian. Each variation caters to every palate and dietary preference. So, the kebab is more than just food. It's a cultural ambassador, a social connector, a historical artifact, and a gastronomic delight. So the next time you enjoy a kebab, remember, you're partaking in a rich global tradition. This journey through the history and culinary uses of the kebab was brought to you by Materia. We take you on a riveting journey through the origins, culture, and history of diverse cuisines. Our mission is to enhance your culinary experience with each video. Materia is not just about food, it's about the narratives woven around a dish that brings it to life. We believe in the power of stories that are shared across dining tables, and we aim to bring those tales to your screen. Each video is a unique blend of education, enjoyment, and enlightenment. Materia is more than a channel, it's a culinary community for food enthusiasts, historians, and curious minds. It's a platform where we learn, share, and grow together. If you found value in today's video, or if you're a fan of kebabs, consider hitting the like button. This small gesture supports our mission to spread culinary appreciation. If you wish to join us on future culinary adventures, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have an array of content lined up, showcasing gourmet dishes from diverse cultures. We're all set to take you on a world tour of flavors. Join us at Materia, where we explore the fascinating world of food one bite at a time.